Hi guys, how are you? So I'm back. So we were on vacation for a little bit and I missed you guys and I missed my daughter, which we left with my parents, and we took a couple vacations. So if you cannot believe that a person can be whiter after being in the sun, yes, I'm whiter. It's just because I put a lot of sunblock and yeah, I protected my skin. So yeah, today we're going to be doing an exciting box that I don't exactly like, but I know that you guys love it, and I have heard many different comments about it. So I don't know if this month is gonna be better, but last month I really did not like it. So we're talking about the Macy's beauty box. It comes like this, and inside there's like a little purse. So last month I really enjoyed the purse that came with it, so I'm gonna link it below if you guys haven't seen that video. But yes, today is January, so let's open January 2018 box. And yes, I have not peeked at it, even though I really wanted to see if I'm happy with it or not. I don't know. It's $15 if you didn't know about it. But yes, it's $15. You pay it monthly and you get 5 different products inside. Some of them are sample, and up to now I only got samples, so I don't know if they come with any regular size, but the brands are higher end. So as soon as you open, you have it like this. So I am really liking by now the looks of the bag. I love the little kissies, and it seems a little bit heavier than last time. So it's this pink. It feels like those jackets that we used to have in 1980s, 1986. Like I think my mom might have one of those from the years that I was born. And it has like kisses in different colors. It has pink, purple, and gold, and it has a little zipper. And what I like about this is that it doesn't say Macy's beauty bag anywhere in the outside like the Ipsy. This one actually says it on the inside, if I'm correct. And it comes with this little brochure that it will tell you what products comes inside, but let's just leave it on the side and we will read about that later. So let's open this. So yes, the Macy's is on the inside, so I like that. On the Ipsy bag, even though the bags are super cute, it says Ipsy on either the side or usually here. So this one you can carry it around. Seems heavy. Let's see. Heavier than last month. I'm not saying heavy because it's not heavy overall, and it comes packed a lot. And I open it and I already like it. So there's no like like Ipsy you can just take out and be surprised, and this one you have to unwrap it, so there's no way of me actually choosing one without looking. You have to open and look. So the first thing is something that I did get in another box, and it's a Hava, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct, but let me know in the comments if you know how to pronounce that. And it's Elemental Beauty from the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And this is how the little package looks. I love that color. This is one of my favorite colors. Here you go, guys. And it's a nice amount. It's 40 milliliters, so it's like a to take on vacation. And actually on the last vacation I took one like this for my hands and for my hubby's hands that tend to be very dry. This one smells really good. It smells, and it's like on the cup. Oh, and it fell. Let's leave that there. And it smells really good. It's on the flowery side. Oh man, and it really hydrates your skin, leaving it nice and supple. So it's not shiny at all. And yeah, so that's the first sample. If you don't like too much on the perfumey side, then you might not like this because this is very perfumey. It says a rich hand cream drenches your hand in velvet smoothness, while marine and floral notes awakens your senses. Your sea kiss. Apply anytime. approved for sensitive skin. So that's a plus, because I know that nowadays there's a lot of people with sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin, but it's not as sensitive as other people. So it is just weird. My skin is weird. That's another way to put it. The next product is Origin Cheek Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And then it's 1 ounce. So look at that. Origins is a very good brand, as well as the Ahava. I have heard of it before, and this one is a face wash. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to test it today, but I will in the future. But I will put some in my hand to see how it feels. It looks like let me see, let me put it on. It smells like mint and peppermint or something. Let's see what it says. It says squeeze small amount into palm and warm water to leather. It doesn't say anything. It says not for individual sale. And it doesn't say anything else. And it's made in USA, but it says New York, London, and Paris. So probably they sell it all over. So yeah, I will try this out and let you guys know how it is. Hopefully it's for my kind of skin, because I have oily skin and I don't like something that I'm gonna apply and then 5 minutes later my face is gonna be drenched with oil again. I like something that takes the oil away and then actually, you know, it doesn't leave it too dry but not too oily. So the next thing I really like, because it's red, and as you guys know that I love red. This one is Smashbox, and it is in the color Boss. I don't know. That's the color right there, guys. And yeah, let's swatch this. So for $15, I'm really liking it this month. Wow. The color is intense. Look at that. It doesn't smell like anything. It's like baby powder maybe. And it seems like it is drying. Let's check on it in a little bit to see if it actually smears everywhere or not. So up to now, the 3 products that I chose I like. Let's see the next one. Wow. What is this? Clinique Plus Jonathan Adler. And I love how this looks. I love all those colors. It looks like very fresh, nice. And it's the color Nude Pop. Whoa. This looks like not a sample size. This looks like a, you know, real good size. Maybe even a full size. Let's see. Let's try it next to this one. And yes, it's nude. And it's on the pinkish, nudish, kind of like shimmery side. You guys can see that. And there you can see also the red that is drying. It's looking more matte. So even if you combine those 2 colors, and if you guys want me to test that out, the theory if those 2 colors will go great with each other, I can do that on the next video. Just leave me a comment. And look at that. Look, that red is drying. I mean, it's still smearing a little bit. You see there's residue. And then that color is shiny. You can put it on top or just wear it by itself. Love it. Okay, let's see this one. This one is Pure Grace Nude Rose. Philosophy. Grace is effortless and unpredictable. Body lotion. And the name is Philosophy. So 30 milliliters. That's a good size. And let's smell this. Good boy. Oh, it comes sealed. I'm not gonna open it just because you know that I have probably a million of them open. So whenever I do open it, I will let you guys know what I think about it. The smell, even though there's a seal, I can smell it through the label, and it smells delicious, like if it was perfume. That's what it smells like. So wow. So the last thing, and I don't think it came in the box. Yeah, I think I was cheated out of a product because I don't see it. It's supposedly to be Michael Kors Sexy Ruby, and I did not get it. Look at that, guys. So I guess, I don't know if this is supposed to smell. So yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them. I have nothing else. It's empty, the baggie is empty, so yeah. It was going good until that's missing. So I really wanted to see what that smelled like. So yeah. So let's go on to this. And they have a $5 off like every month. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I bought last month. So I went online and you can go and see anything that is beauty related. And as long as it's beauty related, they have no shipping and handling. So what you do is you choose any product that is near $5. I tried one that was $5 even. And every time that I choose up any product that is $5 even, it doesn't let me buy it because I don't know if it's because of the coupon or what. So you have to choose maybe something like it's $6. So I did that, and or like 5 something, and I paid, you know, the remaining like 30 cents, and they send me the product to my house. So that's what I do with this coupon. Since the box is 15, they think that because they're sending you $5 coupon, they're, you know, returning those $5. So basically the bag is 10, but you're still paying those 15. I mean, I would rather this box be 10 than they give me a coupon, because I usually don't need anything. But last month I did use it on something that I needed, and it was a concealer for under my eyes. If you wanna see a review on that product, I will do a video on that, but I haven't done one, and I really enjoy that product. If you like a really good concealer and it's on the cheaper side, and you know you get the Macy's beauty box, why not? So let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do a review of that product and how I apply it, etc, etc. So yeah, let's go into the brochure. So we're gonna start a little bit about it. Michael Kors Sexy Ruby I did not get, but it's supposedly to be a full size. The roller 0.34 ounce is $30. Whoa, that's a lot. So then we have the Clinique, which is this one. That one is Pop Lip Color and Primer in Nude Pop. Keep lips looking kissable, soft in this luxurious yet weightless formula. Glides on effortlessly to reveal a modern velvet finish and leaves lips feeling comfortable and moisturized. And it's $18.50, which I don't know if this is the full size because it doesn't really say anything else. But yeah, I mean, even if it's a sample size and the lipstick is $18.50, then you're getting already what's worth for the box. The next one is Smashbox. Always on matte liquid lipstick in the base. So this one is this one right here. Right there. And it went completely matte, but it's still velvety. Like you see, like there's like a little coming out of my, you know, if you press on it, then yeah, there's color leaving. Always on matte liquid lipstick in Boss. Go bold with Boss, the perfect hue for creating a classic red lip. This comfortable matte liquid lipstick was created in Matchbox LA studio to last 8 hours on set. It conditions with jojoba, apricot, and sunflower oil for smooth color that won't budge, and it's $24. And I don't think this is a full size just because I know this one comes in bigger sizes. So the next product that we have, and yeah, I have a hair, I feel it, and it's because my little Leia is sitting on my lap, and I probably kissed her before starting the video. Right? Yes, yes. I'm sorry I woke you up. Okay, go back to sleep. Okay. So the next product number 4 is Philosophy. So it's this one right here. And this one is Pure Grace Nude Rose Body Lotion. Indulge in an all-over moisture with the light and airy scent of flat blush. Rose complemented by sensual cedarwood and sun-kissed musk. So the 16 ounce is $37. So this one is only 1 ounce. So yes, it's way cheaper. Then we have the Hava that I actually lost the little cap. It's somewhere in the floor. We'll have to pick it up. And that one is Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. Hydrating kiss for your skin. This hand cream is blended with Dead Sea minerals and infused with tranquil scent of cool water freshness with hints of salty sea air. And it's $24, but this is obviously not the size. This is only 40 milliliters. Doesn't show a size, so I'm not really sure. Then the last thing is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And this one is 1 ounce. Doesn't really say. It says 5 ounces is $23. This is 1 ounce, so still, it's really big. It says balances and skin, discourages excess oil production while protecting dry prone zones. Skin feels comfortable, clean, and never tight, pulled, or parched. So that's good. It means that it is good for dry prone zones, which I don't have at all. I mean, maybe my neck. So yeah. So what do you think about this month's box? Leave me all the comments below, and if you do get the box, did you get the perfume? Like, I'm kind of surprised that it came empty. And yeah, to me it was a very nice box. It was way better than December 2017. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, and bye guys, see you soon.